I'm Vera Pomerantseva. I'm Director of Product Management for Risk Management Modules with ECS. I know there are some concerns that FDA lowers the scientific bar with the change, but they're not changing it. They're shifting where it sits. So I think we should be looking at the big picture. What does it mean for the industry? So basically, FDA is saying that instead of proving it twice, we have to make it once, but make evidence a bulletproof. And this is not completely new process, to be honest. EMA already was doing it historically for a number of the trials. It also was practicing in US region, especially for the rare disease. And the goal is to provide strong evidence of efficacy and patient safety. Patient safety is always the highest priority, and make sure that data integrity, which are going to be provided as the output, would reduce uncertainty and minimize biases of the trial. So what it means is there are alternatives to having one trial instead of two. Again, we're focusing on the patient protection and strengthening the evidence of the scientific efficacy. So alternatively, it can be one larger multi-center trial. It might be a trial with extremely persuasive results, and we can strengthen it with either broader confirmatory evidence. ICH6R3 from the last year included Annex 2 for real-world data evidence. Again, we're still figuring out the use cases. It might be the perfect one. There is so much data available to us. We just have to figure out how to use it. And this might be a perfect case. The other thing which may strengthen the outcome is multiple independent cohorts within the study to prove that the results scientifically valid and again ensure patient safety. It's number one priority for us. What it means is depending on what approach we're going to take, we can translate it into the risks. And again, the risk-based approach becomes even more important with this shift. It is more important to think it through during protocol development, quality by design concept. What are the new risks and what you can eliminate or reduce during the design of the protocol before it becomes final? And then as you start executing the trial, right, what are the newer risks? Is it the complexity? Is it enrollment and retention? So your centralized monitoring become a little bit more strategic with this change.